Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Ashley and today I'm going to show you all how I use the full body thickening lotion. So this will be my second time using this. So not only am I going to show you all how to use this in your styling routine, but I'm also going to review it to show you all how it works for me because I'm making a few changes to see if it works a little better for me this time, because the first time it worked okay, but I wanted to make some changes to see if I could get a better wash and go. But before we go into this video, I do want to remind you all that I am running a holiday giveaway up until Christmas. So if you want to enter for a chance to win a few Curlsmith products, including a couple that I'm using in this video, which are the Hold Me Softly Style Balm and the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly, then make sure you click the link up here to watch my holiday giveaway video or in the description box, and I will explain exactly how you can enter that giveaway, and you'll have an opportunity to enter while you watch. So back to this video, I am going to go ahead and style my hair with the full body thickening lotion. This lotion is supposed to give you instant volume on day one. It has a lightweight hold, so this even says it's an invisible hold. So I am very curious to see how this is going to work for me today, along with these two other products. So basically, when you are using the Curlsmith full body thickening lotion, you're supposed to add it into your current routine. So you do need to use a leave-in first, then this, and then you can use any other stylers that you may want to that you typically do. So that's why I'm going to follow it with the jelly. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair and then I'll be back on to start the styling process. Okay, so I've sectioned my hair and I just threw a t-shirt on because I am going to be applying some water to my hair and I don't want to get too wet. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the water. So I'm just going to spray my hair until it is very wet, because I just think I get better results with applying styling products when my hair is soaking wet. And I did already detangle my hair also, so my hair is going to be easy to rake through as well once we're ready to do that. So again, you want to start the process with a leave-in conditioner first. So I'm going to use the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, which is like Curlsmith's curl cream, but I use it as my first cream that I put in my hair, and really usually the only cream that I put in my hair. So I actually put a lot in my hand, so I probably will put this on both sections and see if that's enough for both. But I just want to smooth this through the hair. And I rake it through too, just to make sure that it's getting all of these strands of hair as I'm applying it. Okay, and then I am going to put a little bit more on this side because what I did on that side was just not enough. This product is super moisturizing, so I do really like to use this. They do have another cream in their scalp recipe line that is a little lighter. So if you're looking for something a little lighter than the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, that is a good option for you also. And I think even in some of the videos that they have with people using the thickening lotion, they're using that product first. So that's definitely another option for you. But according to them, you can just add this to whatever you are currently using. So now it's time to go in with the full body thickening lotion. And this does have a light hold. If you see, it is a number 2, so it's an invisible hold. So it's definitely not enough to be considered like a gel, but if you do like lighter hold products, then you may be able to finish with this and not add the gel afterwards, but I like to add the gel. So I've put 3 pumps in my hand. This is what the product looks like. It's very lightweight, so just smooth this into the hair. and it smells really good. So a lot of their products in the Scalp Recipe line have this same scent, which is fairly strong. And I know some people don't like the scent, but I think it smells really good. And the issue is, though, if you don't like the scent, it is strong. So that's one thing to think about. I would just give it a little sniff in the store before you purchase it. So that's it. I just rake it through. And you want to make sure you're going from roots to end with the product. And then I'm going to take 3 more pumps and put it on this side. And again, from the roots to the ends, smoothing it through. And then raking it through. All right, and this is what the hair looks like with just those 2 products in it. It actually looks really good. So this also, in addition to adding volume to your hair on day 1, it's supposed to also help to add some definition as well. So definitely see the definition coming through. I don't see too much frizz at the moment, but usually it takes some time while the hair is drying for that to form. But I, again, am going to follow this with the gel. So going in with the Hydro Style Flexi Gel, and really quick, this one is a weightless hold, but you can see it is at a 7, so it does have a lot more hold than the thickening lotion. And one thing I was worried about when applying a gel to this is kind of weighing it down and pretty much undoing what this is trying to do on the thickening side, but we will just see what happens. All right, so I just smooth that through, and then I'm going to rake. And I think that looks really good. And then I'm going to do this side also. May have put a little too much there. Yeah, so that was a little too much, so I'm not actually rubbing it all in my hair. And then I'm gonna rake through on this side. All right, and then there is another step, so I'm going to finish the rest of my hair and do exactly the same thing with the other sections, and then I'll show you what you need to do after you're done applying the products. All right, so I finished applying the products to my entire head now, and this is what my hair looks like. It definitely feels and looks a lot more moisturized and defined than it normally does when I use these 2 products alone. So next thing to just see is whether it holds that way and if we get more volume. But we do have another step here, which is a little scrunching. So we do want to go ahead and scrunch our hair up to get a little bit more curl. And I hope you can hear like that slushy sound, the slushy sound. That is what you want your hair to sound like. And that's how you know you have enough product in your hair. But you want to do that. And then it also says just flip your head upside down and do some more scrunching. Sorry if I just got really loud. I got closer to the mic when I flipped my head over. And then I'm just gonna flip it over to the side here and do some scrunching. Get the back, and then flip it to the other side and do some scrunching. Can definitely see more curl popping in while doing this. And one thing I also want to mention is the slip on this product. It felt so good and moisturizing when I applied this to my hair, and I do feel very confident that my hair is going to be even more moisturized once it dries. So that is all we need to do. Now we either just air dry our hair or diffuse as normal. I air dry my hair, so I'm just going to let it air dry for a few hours, and then I'll be back on to show you all what my hair looks like so you can see day one results to see if it does add more volume to day one hair. I'm super excited to see what happens. Okay, so after 3 long hours, my hair is finally dry, and I have to say, I am definitely seeing the volume that this product has added. So my hair has never been so full and thick on day one, and I haven't even scrunched my hair out yet. So there is just like not too much of a cast. This gel is a very light hold gel, and I didn't put too much in per section, but there is a little bit of a cast still there, so I'll do a little bit of scrunching in just a second. But I just want to say that this product definitely did add to the definition that I got. It added to the volume for sure, and my hair feels super soft and moisturized. The only thing that I do not like about the results that I got is that it did leave a little bit of frizz, especially at the top. So I don't know if you can see or tell. I'll just rotate my head a little bit to hopefully show you all where the frizz is. It's just like a little at the top over here, but I am not mad at the results that I got at all, and I definitely will be keeping this product. So even at the bottom here, so if you look at the bottom, that is where I got a lot of volume. So let's do a little bit of scrunching. So I'm going to just grab a little oil here and rub it all over my hands. And then I'm just going to scrunch a little bit. I really do not need to scrunch a lot because, like I said before, there isn't really much of a cast on my hair right now. But I just want to make sure that I'm getting as much volume as this product can give me. And scrunching helps with that. And you want to add the oil so that you aren't adding any more frizz to your hair, because that can definitely happen as you are doing that. Then the front here needs to be scrunched. All right, so that did add a little bit of volume, I think. But that's it. So again, definitely love the product. I think that it lives up to its name and what it says it does. Would love to hear what you all think in the comments. Please let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.